Hey, Shalom, gente. Welcome to Bourbon Dojo. I am Blue, and I'm your brown water sensei for the next few minutes. And today, it's the weekend. It's a Saturday, cruising down COSTCO. COSTCO comes through again because we have a Knob Creek 9-year single barrel reserve. There's single barrel selects. This one is the single barrel reserved. Again, at COSTCO, it's 120 proof. So looking to get some good on, right? Knob Creek, Jim Beam. My expectations, because I have a few Knob Creeks. I just did a Knob Creek 12 review against the regular normal 9-year review a few months back. But I enjoyed it. I enjoy Beam Bakers, the Knob Creeks, the Little Books, the, just any kind of single barrels, any kind of barrel proof stuff. I dig it. That's my jam. And this is right up my alley. I saw it $48.99. So if I were to go to a liquor store here in the Central Valley, it's going to be like 65 to 75 ducats. And so anytime, you can pick up a single barrel, 120 proofer for under 50 bucks, and it's a Beam product, so there's definitely a name behind it. I'm in. I'm in. Mash bill on these, I believe it's 75 corn, 13 rye, 12 barley. Pretty sure that's it. If not, I'll stick something up here and put the normal or exactly what it is. But pretty sure, pretty good. 9-year age statement. I'm good to go already. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So my expectations, some nuttiness, which I'm hoping it's going to be like a pecan. Hopefully it's a, something other than a peanut, but it's Beam, so some kind of nuttiness is going to be there. I'm expecting some smoky oak and some vanilla caramel. It is, it's just legit, Kentucky straight. So I need my caramels, I need my vanillas, and I need them at 120 proof. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this, shall we? It's been a few weeks, I know, a little busy. It's getting busier and busier as the girls start getting out of school. So here we go. Oh, nice. There we go. There we go. All right. The color. It's a nice honey, maybe a little sun tea color. Yeah, it swirls nicely. All of that 9 years in that barrel is in that color right there. Let's go to the nose, mi gente. Let's see what we get. Oh, just take it in. It's a bourbon. It's a bourbon. I do. I get right away my vanilla, almost like a caramelized caramel, almost like a burnt caramel. That could be the oak, right? Oak. Vanilla. Okay, so so the nuttiness in this one, it's peanut shells. Okay, so that's most Beam stuff, Knob Creeks. You're gonna get the peanut shells. Every once in a while, you'll find, because they're single barrels. Each of them are a little tad different, but once in a while, you'll get, that pecan. You'll get, that almost like a baked pecan, type of nosing and flavor. So, but on the nose, it's just peanut shells on the floor, is what it is. So, hey, ethanol, hardly any. So you can get right through the ethanol. You can just go ahead and yeah, just taking all that, the burnt caramel and vanilla. All right, mi gente, cheers. Let's go to the palate. Let's do this. I love my 120 proofs. Anything over 115, right? You know, warm fuzzies, I'm getting a tongue hug, right? Warm fuzzies all the way down in through. Oh yeah, it's just coating, it's oily. It is, that vanilla and the burnt caramel, it takes it up right on the palate, kind of like on the back and the sides of the palate. The front of the palate gets that oakiness, the oaky smokiness. Yeah, but the burnt caramel vanilla just right there on the back, right there on the sides and the back of the tongue. Oh wow, this is great. Yeah. So some single barrels, right? I don't know, quality control at Knob Creek, right? For their, you know, 120 proof single barrel reserve. You guys are on point this year. It is, what are we, May 2024. Knob Creek, cheers, man. This is delish. I don't even know if you want to add a cube. I don't know if you want to add water. The one I have right here, I wouldn't use it even as a mixer, right? It'd be a great mixer at 120 proof. Are you kidding me, right? I should have picked up another one. Maybe it's Saturday, Sundays tomorrow. Maybe there's some left. Maybe I might go grab me a backup on this, because this is really, really good. Time out. I do want to do this. I got one 2 years ago. I didn't see any last year at all, but I got one 2 years ago that I've been working on. I got to do this. 2024 against 2022, exact same 120 proof. This one is the single barrel reserve. Let's just see. Let's just see if I got them right, you know. Kind of fun. Kind of fun. Is there a difference? Is there a difference on the nose? Slight difference. Okay, so the vanilla caramel, burnt caramel on here came through right now. On the nosing here is the peanut shells and then the caramel, and it's not burnt caramel, it's just caramel and oak. So slight difference. Caramel, peanuts, caramel, and then just an oakiness. Let's go to the palate on the 2-year-old, oh, the 9-year, 2 years ago, 2022. Drink softer, meaning that maybe because it's aired out for a couple of years, it doesn't quite have that tongue hug or the bite, which is fine. It's still there. I think if I tried this first and then went to here, it'd be, you know, it'd pan out a little bit more even. But since I just went from a brand new neck pour bottle to here, this one seems more just kind of, hey, aged, hey, you know. Yes. So, peanut wise, what did that? This is more peanut shells on the ground. This is more like buttery peanut butter, but not really peanut butter. It's just that type of peanut kind of palate on your palate. And it's just as sweet. So both of them, the sweetness is there. Yeah, it's pretty close. This one's more of a burnt caramel, which I prefer. And with the neck pour being a little bit, you know, stronger, the air hasn't really hit it yet. I like me some of this, some 2024. 2022, yeah, it's still good, still great. Can't go wrong for either. And I think I got them both pretty much around the same price. Actually, I probably think I paid like 55 or 65 for this one, because this one didn't come from our big store Hunny Hole. Costco. So nonetheless, all right, mi gente. Shoot. Appreciate you all. Like and subscribe. Let people know about the channel. Right on. Go love on somebody. Shalom. It's brighter. It's younger. It's, you know, that neck pull. Good deal. All right.